Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Inside, and today we'll be doing the review of the phone which is Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. And Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV is a really good smartphone. So first of all, what is the general things about this phone? Brand is Sony, model is Xperia 5 Mark IV, release date is 1st October 2022, launched in India, no form factor touch screen, dimension is 156.00 and 67.00 and 8.20 millimeters. Weight is 172 grams, battery capacity 5000 mAh, and removable battery, no colors are black, ecru, white, green, and let's go to the display.
So the display refresh rate 120 Hz refresh rate and resolution standard FHD plus. Screen size 6.10 inches and 6.10 inches. Touch screen yes, resolution 1080 into 2520 pixels. Product protection type Gorilla Glass. Aspect ratio 21:9 and hardware processor maker Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. RAM 8 GB and internal storage 128 GB. Now let's go to the camera and software.
Cameras, RAD camera is 12 megapixel by 1.7 aperture plus 12 megapixel by 2.4 aperture plus 12 megapixel f by 2.2 aperture. Number of cameras is 3, refresh is yes, front camera 12 megapixel by 2.0, number front camera 1. Software operating system is Android 12.
Now to the connectivity and sensors, Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi standard supported 802.11 GPS yes, Bluetooth yes, version 5.20, USB Type yes, sensors, fingerprint sensors yes. Now this is the end of the review. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. That's all. My name is Daniel.
My name is Johns.
This is Tech Inside signing off. Bye.